In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Telegram account. Creating a Telegram account is quick, simple, and something you can usually finish in just a few minutes. If you've never used Telegram before, don't worry. I'm going to guide you through the process in a clear, easy to follow way so you can set everything up without confusion. To get started, download the Telegram app on your phone. If you're using an Android device, open the Google Play Store. If you're using an iPhone, open the App Store. In the search bar, type Telegram and look for the official app. Once you find it, tap Install or Get depending on your device. Give it a moment to download completely before moving on. It's always a good idea to make sure you're choosing the official app so you avoid downloading anything unofficial. Once the app has finished installing, open Telegram by tapping its icon from your home screen or app list. When the app launches, you'll see the welcome screen. Tap Start Messaging to begin the account setup process. This is what takes you into the registration page where you'll enter your details. Next, you'll need to enter your phone number. Start by selecting your country from the list so the correct country code is added automatically. After that, type in your mobile number carefully. Make sure the number is active and able to receive text messages because Telegram will use it to verify your account. Before tapping Next, take a second to double check that the country code and number are correct. That small check can help you avoid delays. Telegram will now send you a verification code. In many cases, this code arrives by SMS. Sometimes, if the number has already been used with Telegram on another device, the code may be delivered through Telegram instead. When you receive the code, enter it exactly as shown in the app. This step confirms that the phone number belongs to you and completes the verification process. After your number has been verified, Telegram will ask you to set up your profile. Enter your name so other people can recognize you. You'll also have the option to add a profile photo. This part is optional, so if you don't want to do it right away, you can skip it and come back later. When you're finished, tap Done to complete the setup. At this point, your Telegram account is ready to use. You can start chatting, join groups, explore channels, and adjust your settings whenever you like. One helpful tip is to keep access to your phone number, since it may be important later for logging in or recovering your account. That's it. If you follow these steps carefully, you should be fully set up and ready to use Telegram in just a few minutes.